Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you how we are going to run a Rust application in Eclipse IDE. To use Rust on your Eclipse IDE, first you need to install Rust. So for installing Rust, you can search for install Rust in Google and you can find the first link to the Rust official website. So in this official website, you can see there is a recommended setup for installing the Rust. So uh, as you can see, you can install the Rust using download Rust init exe. But first of all, to install Rust, first we need to have Visual Studio C++ build tools in our PC. So if you are not using Visual Studio, uh, make sure to install these build tools from this link given in the official website. So by clicking on the download build tools, you can download the build tools here. After downloading, you need to install them using the wizard by clicking next. So after installing the build tools, you need to click on this either 32-bit or 64-bit. Go with 32-bit, it is recommended. So once it is downloaded, click on it. Command prompt window here. So in this, this is not a typical installation process, but for the Rust, this is the process how you have to install. So you need to click 1 and enter. So as you can see, the Rust is installed now. We can proceed. And after installing Rust, you need to install Eclipse IDE. So Eclipse IDE is like there are different versions of Eclipse IDE. So the one what we are using for our project is the embedded C version. So you have to find, you can find it in the Eclipse official website. Make sure you are installing the embedded C/C++ developer version. And you can find the download link over here for Windows, Mac and Linux respectively. And I'm clicking on Windows. Again. So as you can see, this is a zip file, not the typical exe installation file. And as I installed previously, I will directly show you. So this is a Eclipse embedded C++ application. So to run the Eclipse, first you need to unzip this file. By clicking on right click and I can extract files to the specific folder. It is recommended that you have install these files in either in C drive or any specific drive that you like. For me, I'm keeping it inside D under program files. So in here I can extract it. After extracting, you go to that location. And you can find Eclipse folder here. And inside Eclipse, you can find the Eclipse application.exe. So by clicking double click, you can open the Eclipse IDE and you can put it inside your taskbar to have a easy access, or else you can put it in on the start menu also, or you can send a copy to the desktop, shortcut copy to the desktop. So after if you are opening it the first time, it will go to the default Eclipse workspace. So I would recommend you to create a separate workspace for the Eclipse. For me, I'm choosing a folder inside D. Inside D, under my name and projects. Inside project, I am going to create a new folder for Rust and naming it as Rust underscore 1. So by selecting the folder, the workspace has been set and I can launch this. Once the Eclipse is open, this is the main page you're going to see. So you can close this welcome window here, and in here, to run Rust in Eclipse, we need to install some plugins. So to install plugins, you can go to help. In help, you can check for Eclipse Marketplace. And in Eclipse Marketplace, you need to search for Corrosion. Corrosion is a plugin where it will use Cargo, which is a build configuration for Rust to run the Rust program. Usually for C and C++ programs, there will be a build configuration like GCC. So this kind of build packages are required to build any program. So for Rust, it is Cargo. So to install this, you need to search for Corrosion. Make sure you are entering the right spelling. So as I already installed it, you can see it is installed. By clicking on, you will find the install button here. By clicking on it, it will get installed. After installing, it will ask for restart. Click on restart and we will reopen this website. We will reopen this window. And to open a project in Rust, we need to go to new project, and in this you can find a Rust folder here. By clicking on Corbo project, will be prompted to enter the project name, and I'm initializing the version control system, which is for Git, and you can add you can either check it or no need. It's up to you. And as you can see, I can name the Rust project. I'm keeping it as new Rust, new underscore Rust, and the project name also already set. And by clicking on next, it will create a folder here with the name of our project. As you can see, the main.rs has been created. In this, hello world is created. Hello world basic code is created. If there is no Rust installed in your PC, it will prompt you to install Rust. You can directly install the Rust from the previously shown window. Uh, After setting the path, it will take some time to read the path and variables. Once you have done that, right click on the project and you can see run as. Uh, by hovering on run as, you can find a cargo base Rust project. By clicking on it, we'll get our output on the console. See, as you can see, it has been built and run also. Let me show you the projects insights. As you can see, there is a debug folder. Inside debug folder, we have the .exe file. So this .exe file is our executable output what we got from our build. I'll show you by just deleting this debug and rebuilding it. Right click, run as Rust project. Then you can see we are fine. We are able to see compiling, and then after compiling, you will be getting our output as hello world. You can change the code here and put whatever you want. Hello. This is Honda. And if you refresh, you can find debug folder here. So in this only the executable is present. Let me save this file and then build it again. Compiling and executing. Yeah. So as you can see, this is our output and it is working fine. Thank you very much for watching the video and see you in the next one.